Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add games to Egg NS. First, you will need to download and install the Egg NS emulator application on your Android device. Ensure you grant all required permissions during installation. Once installed, open the app and either register for a new account or log in with your existing credentials. This initial setup is crucial for accessing the emulator's full functionality and preparing for game integration. Next, let's talk about the essential files you will need. Egg NS primarily supports game files in NSP or XCI formats. You will also need the Switch Droid folder, which contains critical data for the emulator's runtime environment. If your game files are compressed, like in a ZIP or RAR archive, remember to extract them first to access the playable NSP or XCI files. Now, let's organize your files. Create a specific folder, perhaps named Games, on your Android device to store all your Nintendo Switch ROMs. Copy the entire Switch Droid folder into the root directory of your phone's internal storage. Then, open the Egg NS emulator, navigate to its settings, and precisely set the paths for both the Switch Droid data directory and your custom games folder. After setting your file paths, restart the Egg NS emulator to apply the changes. You should now see your games listed on the home screen. Simply tap on one to start playing. For optimal performance, explore the in-game settings. Consider adjusting the CPU mode to JIT or slow JIT and experimenting with custom graphics drivers, especially for devices with Qualcomm CPUs, to enhance your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.